How to export audio in WAV format from Ocenaudio. First of all, open Ocenaudio and make sure the audio file you want to export is loaded in the workspace. If you haven't already, you can open an audio file by selecting File and then Open from the menu. Once your audio file is open, take a moment to edit it if necessary. You can apply effects, adjust the volume, or trim the audio as needed. Now, to export the file in WAV format, click on File in the top left corner and select Export. This will open the Export Options window where you can choose your desired file format. From the list, select WAV as the output format. This ensures that your audio will be exported in a high quality, uncompressed format. Before clicking Export, double-check the resolution and dithering. These settings will depend on your specific needs, but for most users, the default settings will work perfectly. Once you are happy with the settings, click Export. You can then choose the destination folder where you want the file to be saved. Ocenaudio will export the audio file in WAV format and it will be ready for use. You can now find your file in the folder you selected earlier. And that's it. Now you know how to export audio in WAV format from Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.